So if your brake light is on, stop immediately, pull over, and you could be in real danger, because when that brake light is on, it could be an issue with the sensor, or maybe the car still functions totally fine, but you could also be losing your brakes. So that is important to troubleshoot a car and not drive with a brake light on. The next thing, and the purpose of this video, is to take a look at what it means when you get this error message on the instrument cluster: service brake system. All right, you can see that there. So if you get that service brake system, again, you might just have a low brake fluid level, but usually brake fluid doesn't just evaporate or disappear. So there could be a leak, and that could be serious, because you could be losing the brakes while you're driving. If the brake fluid is fine and the brakes are not soft and they seem to be working okay, the next thing you need to do is you need to run a full system scan and specifically check the codes in the brake system. So here we're using the YOUCANIC scanner, and you go to diagnostics, and then you have a list of all different control units on this car, but you're looking at anti-lock brakes. Then you read the codes, and then you can see what code is present. In this case, this code is stored, so that's the only code that's there, so we can actually clear it. Now if the code that says current, that's probably what you need to focus on. And then you have an AI feature. This actually, if you click that, it gives you a better description of the issue and gives you some possible causes, things to check. So this is under ABS control module. So if you got that error message, that's where you want to look for codes. You have a lot of things. You can clear codes, you can look at live data, do a lot of active tests, run pumps and solenoids and things like that would be the next step if you are diving even deeper and try to fix the problem yourself. But that's how you troubleshoot that warning light on your, it could be Jeep, but also Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, all those vehicles. That's what you need to do. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.